Hello everyone. With the help of end calendar meeting integration with timesheet module, if user creates a meeting using end calendar, it will automatically fill the timesheets for the assignees which we have assigned. Now, after installing this module, now let's get into the calendar. Over here, now let's create a meeting for and tomorrow. So here it will be. So I'm going to create a meeting. So before that, now let's get into the list view. Over here, you can see the form view. So in this, I need to add a meeting subject, and here we need to add the start date and date durations, and also you can see and other more informations like tag and meeting description is a mandatory one, and here we can need to add a project and task to create a timesheet, and in this you can add an assignees, and over here you can see a timesheets once we have created the meeting. Now let's fill all the informations over here. Now over here I have created a meeting. So in this I added the start date for and third tomorrow, and over here I added all other more informations, project task and assignees. Okay. Now once I have completed everything, now I'm going to save this one. So in this you can see the timesheet will be created for the date which we have added. Not only here, you can see the same timesheet over here in the timesheet as well. Now let's get into the all timesheets. Let's get into the list view. Now in this you can see these two or the one which we have created from an meeting. Okay, so in case if I need to reschedule it to the next day like 4, okay, so I'm going to change the date to 4 over here. So now it's 1 hour, so I'm changing the time to 15 to 16. Okay, so here in this I change the time, so it will ask for the reason for an update. So client need to reschedule. So I am changing this because a client needs to reschedule it. So here in this you can see that date will be 3. So once I have changed this one, it will be changed to 4, and from here you can see the date will be automatically changed over here too. And also in each and every meeting, if we rescheduled or if we change the time, it will show a reason on each and every meeting. You can see the same over here. So in this way we can make use of this module to create a timesheet from the meeting that we have created. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.